Tattvamasi. This sentence is very profound, taken from the scriptures. Well, it simply means you are the same. You are the one who is into me already. That means we both are one, actually not two. Tattvamasi. Tat Tvam Asi. You are the same, the one, the God Himself, who has come in front of me in this form now. So this sentence actually is very profound, and it denotes non-dualistic vision. When a person has become very deep, better say when a person has reached his superconsciousness, now he can see the same superconsciousness into the other also. He has got this solution finally. He has got this final solution, Param Samadhan, that the other is also not the other. The first and the second are just one. So, the God Himself, when He comes in the form of a person or even an animal or whatever, that person who has reached to that height of the superconsciousness can easily identify Him, and he can see that one into his eyes also. And that's how this sentence is spoken, Tattvamasi. So this is a great conclusion which is taken out or understood or experienced only by a liberated person or a Buddha himself. That's it.